Souvenir on the bird park. Souvenir, Rory. Yeah.
It's a bird feather. It
Bird
fell.
feather, okay.
It fell from one of the birds.
Yay.
Happy birthday to me! Yeah! Happy birthday to me!
Where are you going, good boy? Happy birthday.
Yeah. Wait, don't sing yet. Wait, restart the video. Restart. Restart. Hey guys, it's my 7th birthday and we're going to the bird park and river safari. 7th birthday.
Happy birthday, Rory.
Happy birthday to myself. Happy birthday to myself.
Okay. First.
We're gonna first things first, guys. Eat. I'm hungry.
Yes. So what are you playing now, Rory, on your birthday?
I'm playing a car game. Like this. See, here's a car and it's parking. Then I got like, and then when I check other views, and then look, when I go to the cabin, it still looks so shaky. I pressed this, and then it made me come back without glitching. And then I went all the way to the top of the multi-story car park in the airport in my car game. See, this is the top floor.
Okay.
And then I'm parking now.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
It's Rory's breakfast. Yes? You're making it by yourself?
Yep, and I'm driving.
You're driving to
If you hold it and if you want it.
It's my 7th birthday, not first birthday.
What's your first birthday?
By the way, when my sausages finish, I'll be done.
You don't put all the sauce.
Ready?
Who's excited? Ooh, look at that, Rory. Maybe we take photo of you already.
Nice, Rory?
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
I'm gonna bring my camera out of my bag.
I think the bird.
Yes, sama Mike. Where's Rory? Toilet. Oh, are you excited?
Yeah?
So wagon, $80 per day.
Papa, can you hold this for me? Mama goes toilet.
Alright. You got it, madam? Huh? There, everything put here, and Manong just full, right, Rory?
Then I can even
Oh yeah, you got your water. What? Nice. Good. Good idea.
What video?
I'm gonna go to... That's all, yeah. Let's go, Rory. Hey, Rory, stop that. Papa's already taking. You just enjoy and keep in your memory. Penguin. Penguin Coast.
Whoa, we're in Jerome.
Come, give me this. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah, you have to go and look. Look, Rory. Go and look. Go and take a look. Go and look. Oh, happened.
Cannot go together.
So just people. There they are.
Those are the penguins, guys. They're great.
Why do they walk like that, Rory?
I don't know. They look so funny when they walk. They walk like this.
Oh.
And how come penguins can swim?
Yes. Now you know. They're birds, but they can swim.
Ah.
Oh, clever.
And maybe most penguins live in the Antarctic Ocean.
Yeah, these are the Asian penguins.
It's like a bird, the plant.
They designed it like that, Rory.
So that they can attract more people.
Yeah.
Whoa, Papa, I love the wagon ride.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm pulling. I'm your motor, Rory.
Yeah, you're my motor.
Patagonia.
Booking for the show, please ensure if you have not done a booking, please scan the QR code at our show entrances to make a booking. Please open your email.
Separate guy. Booking done. And Rory done. We're in the wagon. We're going to book for the show. In fact, we already booked. Oh, wow. Perfect, Rory. Nice, huh? Oh, here. Oh, me and Mama will sit here behind.
Well, I think I want to boys sit here and girls sit there, Mano sit there.
Okay, two people can.
Three people can see.
Nice.
Yeah, I love bird park.
In a very short while. Before that, I have some important reminders to make all of you. Okay, so first of all, have your mask on at all times. Do not remove your mask at any point of the time during the show, and strictly don't eating or drinking during the show.
Rooster can fly, bro.
Yeah. In my brain memory.
Yes.
The chicken and birds are in your GoPro memory and my brain memory.
Whoop. Whoa.
Are they coming back?
Souvenir on the bird park. Souvenir, Rory. Yeah.
It's a bird feather.
Bird feather,
It
okay.
fell from one of the birds.
Yay. See that?
Yeah.
Listen to the parrot, Rory.
Okay.
Listen.
You want to say, switch head to it. You want to say hello? Sweet hello. Okay, are you ready? So I took a big chunk of your rewards, didn't you? Okay, he's standing on one leg. He's going to introduce himself, okay? You want to tell everybody your name?
Amigo.
His name is Amigo.
Amigo.
You do this one more time. What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name. So Amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people?
He's smart, boy. He's in primary 1 now. Oh. 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 Oh.
He's a talking bird.
Yeah, talking bird, the parrot.
Yeah.
Like bird.
Mama's the one laughing. Hey! For birthday, raise your hand! Yay! Yeah, birthday, birthday. Birthday, birthday, birthday.
You belong to this car? Anybody? Nobody. Okay, so for the two of you, and I hope I can get this
So put your hand down now, boy.
Happy Bo is going to sing you.
Oh, sing you happy birthday. Okay? Bye-bye.
So big, it almost hit your head. Yeah. It almost hit your head, Rory.
Yeah, so big.
Nice? Yay! Happy boy.
I love
Yay!
the show.
Yay! Me too. I love the show. Get the plug and your trolley. Where's your trolley? A bear.
Someone is riding a JBP21 while I'm riding JBP04.
This is called the birds of paradise, Rory. It's like a bird flower. What land? What is that, Mano? So big. So big. We're good, right? Royal Rumble. Oh, the pigeon.
Pigeon.
Look how many varieties of pigeons. This one? So big. I didn't know pigeons have many varieties, Rory.
Yeah, not just a like a peacock. Not just a small variety.
Bills and toucans. Whoa.
Mama, look, this is your favorite bird, right? Mama, this is your favorite type of bird.
What? Hornbills and toucans.
This is your favorite.
Breathe.
You have to put your mask on.
Oh, wait, when there's no people like that.
We're entering the toucan castle. And the hornbill. How?
I drank a lot of water.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drank even more. When you didn't start the video, I still drank water. And then when it started...
Oh, there's the bird.
Mama, this is your favorite bird, right?
No, she's looking.
African.
Look there. There, Mama.
With afro.
Oh, that song. Philippine bird.
Philippine is endemic. Species is endemic to the Philippines. Polillo Island. Oh. Polillo Island is near Batanes, Manong, I think. It's native. Good.
Where?
There.
Where is it?
Can you open my...
I can't see it.
Can't see it too.
Oh, this way. Oh, the one behind.
Yeah.
Behind the cage.
Yeah. All
that it?
the way there.
Is that a hornbill?
Yeah. Where look at that?
It's a Papuan hornbill. Great hornbill. Oop. Can't see him. Another Philippine bird. Rufous hornbill.
Two birds.
Yeah.
Oh.
We can't go to Philippines, it's locked down.
Another bird. It's like a real bird, right? We are here, so it's gonna be taking us all the way to 3 and 4, and the last one would be Raptor. Nice. You talk to your friends there. It's ready video.
Okay. Hey guys. We're still in Jurong Bird Park. Jurong Bird Park. We're still in Jurong Bird Park. Look. Tama.
Mama, he'll be inside here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll just wait for you here.
So I love this place. This place is even more better than zoo. Jurong Bird Park is even better than zoo or Mandai's Singapore Zoo. Wow. Manong can hold this.
Oh no, the parking inside.
Yes. Yes. Manong can hold this. Okay, let's put it here first.
Okay.
Hey guys, I have ice cream here, and Manong has a popsicle. Mama has a non-scoop.
And Papa?
I mean, scoop. And you have nothing.
Nothing. Videoing. Someone's tired and eating ice cream now.
Because we feel hot, and not just me, but Manong and Mama already feel hot. Manong already finished his popsicle.
That's a monkey eating eagle.
Look, giant. See the giant?
Cloud rats, squirrels, monkeys, and snakes. You forgot already, there's Vulture and Lion King. Interesting, vultures are dying too, critically endangered. Dino descendants!
Walk there, walk there, walk there.
Look at this egg, Rory. So big. Pass away. see. It's an iguana, Rory. Bird Discovery Center. Rory Law. Rory Law.
Rory lock. Sausages is the best part.
Why?
Because it's so funny, like
Which one? Which one?
kick us. The sausage is the best part. It's so fun.
Because
Because it feels like it's gonna slap our face and kick us in the bottom. And we're gonna slide down with But I'm gonna put it back in my bag.
I put it inside already.
Check.
so noisy. Oh, so noisy bird.
Why is it saying we go?
Yeah.
If we go hungry. How about the zoo photographers? Where are the photographers? Why their eyes is red?
I don't know, boy. Do you know?
Maybe because
They're so friendly, right? Coming to you now.
where's the bird going? Ah, yeah!
He's hungry, looking for something to eat. The bird is following you. Oh, Rory, that's your bird.
Showing you the way out.
Showing you the way out. The colorful ones, Rory. What is that?
Sausages.
Sausages. Wow.
This is my favorite part. Looks like it'll slap your face and it'll kick you at the bottom.
Yeah, but they don't, right?
Yeah, but how come it looks like?
Come, Rory. Whoop.
Okay, wait. Okay, you can go in now.
Come here now.
You
Come
can
here
still
now.
go in.
You want to be slapped by the sausages, right? Mudding.
Mudding and Ate haven't go yet.
Yeah, mudding. Oh,
Mudding haven't celebrated you yet.
yeah. Pura mudding.
But then, yeah.
Flamingo, Rory.
I like the purple flamingo.
The purple
I
flamingo.
mean pink.
Pink.
Pink
Yeah.
and pink or purple one.
Yeah.
I like the purple one.
So here it is. Okay. Whoa. Come here, Rory.